وميمار شيل
Dur
الميكروفون.
cevabı söyle. 15 kere 15 kaç?
Onu çak.
Sana ne Selma. Yavaş. 2 in mind. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 7.
Teacher.
Cevap. And we are 1 times 5 5 1 times 1.
ويابوس أنا كم سوسيكو؟
اشتبه.
Stimmt es ja?
Teacher.
Ekabo.
Mute.
Kanal mute açtı.
Yes.
We are teacher.
Yes. Okay. Haydi.
We are writing 5.
5. Oops.
5 plus 7 is 12.
Okay.
Teacher, do we
We
need
are
to write the
writing one.
square?
Yes.
1 mile 225.
225. But here it's meter, so it will be meter square. Yes.
Meter square. Yes. It is meter, centimeter.
Yes. Arben. E was Arben's. Haydi Arben.
30 A. Okay.
Yes.
30 times 30 is 900.
900
Bravo.
millimeter
Beh.
square.
Millimeter
Okay.
square.
It's
Yes.
okay. Did we understand?
Yes.
Teacher, I have one question.
Okay.
Haydi Mimar. Of course.
You always have one
Square.
question.
Teacher, the square has 4 sides. Why we do 8 times 8?
It's area. It's area, Mimar. It's
Ama Memar şif mesela yapayım. Centimeter 2. Centimeter square.
last year we studied area. Now,
O mimar şiş.
Okay.
here we have find the
Non sto ignorando.
volume. Volume of cubes with sides. Now again, let me choose who will solve.
Teacher, can you go back please?
İyiyim, sıyım.
Okay.
Hocam bir kere şimdi.
Okay. Now,
Go.
Cevdet will solve first one.
Yes, şükür.
Emir
Yes.
kapatmakla şey yapmıyorsun kendini. Demiyorsun Emirciğim. Artin will solve second one and Taha will solve third one, okay?
Haydi. Okay.
Hadi teacher, go,
Cevdet,
go.
Artin, Taha.
Okay.
The
Let's go.
others will not talk, okay?
Okay.
Now here,
My microphone.
first, it says volume. Why it says volume? Because we have 3-dimensional shape.
Yes.
And if it says that it is cube, it means that all the sides are same. If one of them is 2, and this one is 2, and this one is 2, and all of them is 2. So how we're finding volume, Cevdet?
We are multiplying the number with 3 times. Like
Yes,
2
itself.
times 2 times 2.
Yeah, so I will show you if we have a cube or any prism 3-dimensional, and if the sides are A, B, and C, the volume is A times B times C. But here it says that it is cube. All of them it's same. So it will be 2 times 2, which is 2 cube.
Yes, 8.
8. Thank you, Cevdet. Yes, Artin. Second one.
Oh, teacher, now we'll multiply 5 3 times by itself.
Okay.
Yes.
The volume will be 5 times 5
times 5,
times
25.
5. Yes.
25 times 5.
If you want, we can do
5
here.
times. Yes. 5 times 5, 25. We
Yes.
write 5. 2 times 5, 10, and 2 on our
Okay.
mind,
Yes.
12.
12. So we have 125.
125.
Here,
Do we have to
okay,
write
Artin,
centimeter?
thank you. First one is centimeter cube, it will be. Second one will be millimeter cube. And Taha will solve the third one.
Hadi hocam bismillah.
Haydi.
Bismillah.
20
Time
times
20
20
Times
20.
20.
Yes. So this is 20 cube. What will be the result?
Haydi.
At the same time, you can write them in your notebook. Okay, don't watch.
I'm writing.
Yeah, I'm writing.
Great.
Yes. Bukur.
Emir, are you writing? Arben, are you writing?
شلون Emir?
Hocam maalesef
Oh, 10% battery low.
Yes.
yazayı ama
Taha, as you see, I give you time to
Hocam,
find it.
teacher,
Haydi.
20 times 20 is 400.
Yes, this is 400 times 20,
20, 8,000.
8,000, and it's meter cube. Okay?
It means 8 kilometers.
So
Yeah, 8
the power of,
kilometers.
can I
Kilometer.
talk something?
Yes, Arben?
Can I? So the power of 2 is square, but the power of 3 is cube.
Yes.
Hocam benim o pusakol 2'de 1 kaybolur.
Ne yapalım be Yavuz? Nereye gider bilmem. It's okay, did you write?
Alırlar.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's see what we have next. Square root.
Right. Oh.
We studied square numbers, and square numbers is numbers that we are multiplying by itself. For example, 4 times
Should we have to write all?
is 4 square.
16.
Yes. Are we clear with
Do
this
we need to
one?
write all of this?
No, you don't
Yes.
write all of it. Write the title first, then I will tell you what to write. Okay.
This is new title of this one.
New title. As you see, roots. You
Right.
have roots here, and it is square root, the first title.
This one. Can I ask
Hi.
a simple question?
Hi,
How many
Mimar.
minutes?
For example, Mimar, I haven't started to tell anything. You have a question. You are a great student.
But this one is
Even if I
simple.
haven't started to the topic, you're asking me question. If you will be patient, I will explain, okay?
Okay.
So, till now, we had square numbers, 1 square, 2 square, yes? 3 square.
Yes.
This is 1, this is 4, this is 9, yes? These are the square
Yes.
numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Square numbers. I am explaining to all of you, not only to Mimar, okay? The others.
Yes.
Can you wait until writing?
Square root is the inverse of squaring a number. Okay, inverse. So we are going back. Opposite. If 1 square is 1, square root of 1 will be 1 again. If 2 square is 4, square root of 4 will be 2. If 3 square is 9, square root of 9 will be 3. Okay, so this is the sign for square root that we are using. You know it, I think that we studied last year. So
Yes.
see
Yeah.
here,
I
if
remember.
4 square is 16, so the inverse square root of 16 will be 4. Okay? It's okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So write these 3 sentences first. These 3.
Who? Aha.
Hocam yani bu V şekli gelir çarpı 2. Veya böyle 2.
If
This should not be in English.
4 square is 16, square root with this sign, this is square root of 16 is 4. For example, what is 6 square, Yavuz?
6 square.
Haydi.
6 times 6.
Yes, which is
Bravo.
36.
36. Oh, Mimar.
Oh, Mimar, nalo be.
Then,
Yarın
if we know that 6 square is 36, square root of 36 will be
6.
6. Okay? Did you understand?
Ama böyle kaç yaparsan?
Dildir bölme bu. Sadece eğer bir sayının karesi atarım işte 6 kere 6 36 ise karekök 36 6 olur. Yani aynı
Yani aynı numaralar için
Evet.
çarpılar için bölünür daha kolay bununla bölün.
Evet, evet. Artık nasıl anladıysan daha kolay öyle düşün.
Hocam başka bir anlam yok.
Hocam anladım biraz
Tamam,
şarkı
anladım.
oluyor ama.
Tamam.
neyse.
Haydi bak. Did you...
Hocam başka bir anlamı yoktur.
Yoktur başka bir anlam. İşte budur. Yoktur düşünürüm.
Tamam.
Ooh, so we finished the lesson.
No. I'm
Yes, teacher,
right.
for me.
Yavuz
we
is
finish.
here for the second.
Yes.
Endrit, I think is here for now.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Anise,
Wanna go?
Here.
Ah,
here.
So he is here.
Emir,
da.
oh pardon, Artin.
Soviet here.
Teacher, I'm here.
Artin is
Bravo.
here. The others don't talk to each other. Mimar.
Okay.
Emir,
Sen.
Hayır teacher. Hocam
Lina?
ben anlamadım bunu edebiyatını dokuysan.
tamam çözeceğiz daha fazla soru al
I'm here.
inşallah.
Evet.
Ammar,
Here.
Taha. Taha.
Yes teacher.
Yes, neredesin Taha? Hana Kadri,
Buradayım hocam.
Here, teacher.
Hana Mustafi is not. Eliza,
Here, teacher.
Cevdet.
Here.
Here. Aldi is not. Mimar.
I'm here, teacher.
Arben.
Here.
Here. Nagip.
Here, here, here, here.
Mert. Mert.
Not here. Mert is not here. Yes, he's not here.
Agon.
First but after. Let's finish.
Here, teacher.
Is here. Should I have her name?
Teacher, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Like there is square roots. Is there cube roots? Cube.
Yeah, there will be. Yes. Later in the future, you will have also.
Okay.
Okay. Did you write these sentences?
Yes, of course.
Okay, now here, look, in the square roots, the square root of a number is usually given as a positive answer, okay? Always, when you will take out from the square root, your result will be positive number, okay?
Mhm.
So, the calculator only gives the positive value. You can use the calculator to find some of the square roots, but for now we'll not use, we'll learn how to find the square roots without calculator. Okay, now I'm continuing. Here, without using a calculator, write down square root of 144 while we were finding the square numbers. Do you remember square numbers? We're finding here square numbers.
Yeah.
I will show you what we have found. Look, we have found the square numbers till 20. Yes? And
Yes.
you need to memorize this, some of these.
It's 12.
See here, 12. 12 square is 144.
Because can I say
Yes,
something?
Arben.
Because as we can see here, when there is only a single number, like 2 times 2, it's
Mhm.
wait a second. It's 4, but in here it's 12.
Yes.
So we all know that and 2 digit is 100 in that's
Yes, Arben, we cannot hear you. Some of your words we can hear, but some of them not. But I understood what you mean. Now, if we know that 12 square, which is 12 times 12, is 144. We studied this, we found this, and we know this, and we say directly that Square root of 144 is equal to
12.
12.
Nago.
Okay. What it says in B, what it means? Write down
Wrote down both
square roots, both square roots of 225. In the previous example, we found what was 225?
15. Teacher,
225?
15, yes, 15.
15.
15. But also, look, square root of 225, we can write that it is 15 directly. But it says
yes.
both square roots, both. So I can write that 15 times 15 is equal to 225. Also, can I write that minus 15 times minus 15? It's 225. Because
Yes.
minus times minus will be plus. Yes?
Teacher, can you wait? I'm going to write this.
Of course I can wait, but answer my question now. Is this true?
Oh, teacher, I have 5% battery.
Okay.
And in 3 minutes, the lesson is going to finish.
Hai تشوفها مونتا معي 3 minuta. ها
بمواعبة.
هشوف.
Are you listening me? I'm waiting an answer. We said that square root of 225 is 15. And here in the
Yes.
previous one, we said that usually calculator gives us positive answer. But also,
Yeah.
you may have also negative ones as the square root. Okay. Why? Because minus 15 times minus 15 is also 225.
Yes.
Is there like minus 15 times 15? Is there?
Look, again, we are multiplying the same number here. Also, minus 15 times minus 15 will be 225. Why? Because I'm multiplying minus times minus will be plus. 15 times 15 is 225. So this one is minus 15 square also is 225. So I can say that root of 225 is also minus 15.
Yes.
Because of that, it says write down both square roots, both of them.
Minus 15 and plus 15.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
I
Lesson
hope
finish.
so. I hope so. Let me check this video here while you're writing them. It's not, it's a
Just your mind. Jonas.
calculator. Let's share. Did you finish writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Now here in the question, in the third one, it says, use your calculator to find root of square root of 238. Let's see what will 200 square root, I'm writing square root, 238. It will be 15.42, and you can continue. The exact square roots is the numbers that you can find, is the numbers that you know the squares. For example, can you tell me a number that you know? For example, what is, do you remember what is
16.
what is 16 square you found in your notebook?
Teacher.
Okay,
Cannot.
0. Do 0.
0 is 0. 0 is 0.
20.
20. I am asking 20, okay, but I am asking you the square numbers that you know. Any square number that you know.
14.
14 is a square number.
729.
729. Square
Yes.
root of 729 will be 27.
27.
Because 27
Yes, because
square
9
is
times.
Teacher,
Hocam,
100.
Eleven.
Hocam bu nasıl
Teacher
olacak?
and 100.
Hocam ders bitti ama.
100.
Kim dedi be?
Nokta.
Taha, bitti.
Bitti ders.
Yavuz, what you said?
Evet hocam.
100.
Bitti de.
100 is
100.
going to be
5
20.
dakikaya böyle
No,
bitti.
10.
11.
Yes.
11.
11. No,
is
11.
Teacher, lesson finish.
Çok
Benim var şu demin oldu.
You have 4 more minutes. Why you are saying that lesson?
Bir
No.
hocam.
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Hocam 15'te
See.
biter.
Teacher, have you
Oh,
seen
Bir
the
iki dakika
lesson?
fazla oturduk.
Biz de
Okey,
10
al
dakika,
çok
biz de 10
oturmuşsunuz. Ne
dakika.
gitti Süreyyalar, ne kaybettik? Güle güle.
Hocam
Hocam.
teneffüs.
Tamam, hadi güle
Güle
güle.
güle.
Next lesson
Allah'a
we'll see each
emanet.
other. Haydi bye.
Ay gülü
Hadi
gülü.
Güle güle
bye.
hocam.
Kimse sevmiş hocam.
I cannot leave.
Ben çıkmayacağım. Ben oradayım hocam.
Hadi görüşürüz.